Hello, you're watching InstaForex News with me, DEC Fundamental. Last week, the European Central Bank finished its anti-recession program, in the frameworks of which the lending of banks for the long-term period was realized due to funding operations. In connection with the influence of this program, the short-term interest rates of the euro will probably remain at extremely low level during next 6 months at least. According to analysts, the results of the operation held by the central bank signal that a significant part of the banking system can manage without the addressing to the enabling mechanism from the part of the ECB at the present moment. However, a small number of banks considerably depends from this support as before. At that, there are still a lot of weak spots in the European banking system, which may cause problems in future. As the ECB noted, the central bank made an inflow of the liquidity in the amount of €96.937 billion by virtue of the crediting operation for a term of 1 year. This operation was the last out of 3 similar operations about which the ECB announced in spring. The target of such operation was guaranteeing of more long-term financing availability for the Eurozone banks, which would help them to go through the credit crisis. Since then, the market conditions have improved much. The interest rates at which the banks, having risk-free position, created each other for the short-term periods, besides such lending is made even without loaning, are now lower than the key interest rate of the ECB, which is at the level of 1%. According to the analysts, money resources provided by the ECB on Wednesday increased the total sum of the funds laid out by the ECB in the market by 14%. These assets will promote the maintaining of the average weighted interest rate of one-day interbank credit in the euro, which is the key interest rate concerning the interbank overnight credits in the area of the levels of 0.30% to 0.35% observed recently. EO and IA rate remained almost without changes after conducting the operation on liquidity provision from the part of the ECB. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, DEC Fundamental. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.